This passage discusses the baobab tree and its significance in African culture. According to local tribes, the baobab tree is considered ancient, and they believe that when the tree grows upward, it uses its power to suppress smaller plants. This, in turn, angers the deities. As a result, the deities decided to uproot the trees and plant them upside down, resulting in their distinctive and unusual shape. The baobab tree can live for up to 1,000 years and is found in certain regions of Africa and India. In Africa, most people revere them, and they are known for their ability to store large amounts of water in their trunks, helping them survive even in prolonged dry seasons. They also play a significant role in the ecosystem by providing regular water to nearby trees. Baobab trees are viewed differently around the world, with some seeing them as a valuable resource, while others consider them a nuisance,